All right, guys, we're on some GBP, JPY buys. We got stopped out of one position. My stop loss was right here, and I was trying to get an entry literally right here. When I bought it originally, we got about a 10 pip slip, so I ended up in the price up here. I was up, just a little bit of profit. So now, waiting for it to wipe out this low right here. Got back into the position. So let's see. We just had some news as well, which could potentially push us to the upside or just completely sell off for the day. The only thing I'm looking at is that we have this was the entry that I was trying to look for. Didn't get it. Price ended up getting in right here. So that got stopped out as soon as we hit below here. But now I'm re-entering the trade for this entry on this demand level here, which could possibly push us to the upside just for a little slice of the pie, make back our losses, and make some profits. So that's the idea. Kind of like that candle movement. We are at a low on the hourly. We're at a low on the 4 hour. We're at a low of the 4 hour. We're at a low on the daily. 30-minute has some bullish momentum. Hourly has a little bit of bullish momentum. Lower time frame has some bullish momentum. We're just looking to wipe out these highs up here. Entry was right here. All right, stop loss here. Looking for these highs up here. Could be a crazy good trade if we can get it to play out. If we blow it hard enough. I guess not, ladies and gentlemen. I think we're just going to melt the rest of the day. See if we stay in the fight right here. We had a news release. I'm looking for kind of a counter trend on the lower time frames since that news release, since the bullish momentum to the upside, since we're at the daily low, since we're at the 4 hour low. If we break these lows, we're breaking off the daily trend, the 4 hour trend. So that's why I'm pretty comfortable with that stop loss. So let's see. Not the best candle close. It's only on the 5 minute though. There's two good opportunities for some buying here. My first one got slipped. Oh, we might be good. I mean, this actually looks really nice right here. I wouldn't suggest doing that if you're a new trader. Don't just load into things. It's got to look real nice. You go proper risk on the first entry. If you see something that looks, high probability, you can get in again. I just really like what I see. But I have a banger of a trade here. Not gonna lie to you. I mean, what are we talking about here? Aiming for about 60 pips. I'm a scalp trader. What are we doing? No, I'm kidding. But most definitely, I'm seeing this breaking these highs, at least touching this level here. I'll probably close partials there. Again, prime example of you get the best entry, even if you get stopped out at one of them, right? You get the best entry, you hold on to the best entry. You don't sit there and just get in and get out. I'm a scalper. I'm holding on to the best entry though, my boy. I don't know what you thought this was, but I'm not getting out of the best possible entry. If I get stopped out again here, whatever. I'm holding on to the best entry. I don't care. So we break these highs right here, baby. It's a news day. Best possible entry. I'm holding it. I'm going to go ahead and close partials here. Mink. Take that. I take that. I take that. Yeah, I'll take that. We're done. That was a beautiful trade. And on with the day.